Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Saratoga local and long-distance movers near me. Our crew of professional movers will make sure your long-distance move goes properly. When you want to move 100 miles away or even 3,000 miles away, we can assist. Relocating isn't easy, but using the best moving services can certainly make it a lot simpler. In addition to loading, transportation, and unloading, our experts also provide a lot of other moving services including packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. It's not always easy to rationalize the cost when choosing a California moving company. When you look into the primary advantages you get, the expense may be much easier to deal with. Any decent moving company will certainly help you save time on your local move. Movers can also assure you don't have to take care of any of the heavy lifting. When you choose our movers, you get pros ready to make your local move very easy. With a local moving company, like 3 Movers, you get a more efficient move. A move that might take you all weekend to complete, we can take care of in a single afternoon. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Saratoga moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.